Okay, looking at finding an angle. An angle. So whenever an angle is involved, we would need to use trig. Okay, so step one is you are going to label. Okay, so always label first. So this is 12 is opposite the 90 degrees, which makes that the hypotenuse. The side that we're using, or rather the angle that we're using, is x. So the side opposite x, that would be your opposite side. The side adjacent to x would be your adjacent side. You're then going to choose which two sides you'll be using. You always use two sides. We'll be using the hypotenuse and the adjacents because those two sides are known to us. So if you write down your trig ratios, so toa, the trig ratio with both a and h in it is k. Fill out your triangle. Your angle goes at the bottom left, so this will be cos will go down here. You don't know what the angle is, so we'll just use x. Then you have the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, and the adjacent side is 5, and the hypotenuse is 12. Now we are finding the angle, so therefore you would need to use cos minus 1. Okay, you need to tell your angle, your calculator, tell your calculator rather that you're calculating an angle. So therefore you're going to go cos minus 1 and then put in a bracket the 5 divided by 12. So that means your angle is going to equal to 65 point, rounded to 1 dp, 4 degrees. Okay, so step 1, label. Step 2, choose the two sides you'll be using. Step 3, see which trig ratio fits, sub it into your triangle, and then calculate. Right, let's look at one more. What if your angle you're looking for is sitting up there? Then this here becomes the opposite side because it's opposite the angle. This is adjacent to the angle, and this is your hypotenuse. Okay, so we've labeled. We are now left to choose which two sides will we be using. Well, we know the opposite side and we know the adjacent side, so therefore we'll be using those two sides. Write down your trig ratio, so toa. You will be using a and o. The trig function that has that in it is tan. Now fill out your trig, your triangle. Your angle goes bottom left, so that'll be 10. We don't know the size of the angle, so it's just going to be x. Opposite, O over A, so the opposite side is 8, so 8 goes there, and the adjacent side is 12. Again, remember, you need to tell your calculator that you're finding an angle. So when you use tan minus 1, that is when you're looking for an angle. And that to put that in your calculator, you would just go tan minus 1, bracket, and put the 8 over the 12 in the bracket. And that gives you an angle of 33.69 degrees, rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, I hope that was useful. Thanks.